Hello guys, welcome back to new video. Have you ever wondered how companies like Google, Amazon keep their apps secure by releasing updates so fast? So this is the secret of DevSecOps. So today we are going to learn about the DevSecOps, what DevSecOps, the core behind it, what all the tools generally use, what is the reason behind we have created term DevSecOps. Okay, so in this video you are going to learn about what is DevSecOps, why is it important, how does it work in real life. Okay, so if you are new to the coding, DevOps or cybersecurity world, so this video is for you. So let me talk about first of all what is DevOps. Okay, what is DevOps? DevSecOps. So as you heard about, like these terms are quite similar to the DevOps terms also. Okay, what is DevSecOps part? So it's a generally implementation, like we can say combinations of the development. Okay, development plus security plus operations. Okay, and this they have dev, they have security, and they have ops operations. So for ops. Okay, this things start creating making a DevOps. Basically, it's about making security a part of the software process from start, not just at the end. Like from the starting, we generally create a software, so we have to implement that particular software. So suppose if I talk about a little example, think of a building a house. Instead of adding locks and alarms after the house is built, you design them into the blueprint for the beginnings of it. Means that is the DevSecOps part. Let me understand in a quick हिंदी वे जनरली क्या होता है हम लोग एक घर बनाते हैं तो घर बनाने के हम लोग बाद में इंप्लीमेंट नहीं कर रहे जब घर का एक ब्लूप्रिंट रेडी हो रहा है हम उसी के टाइम पे हम लोग पूरी की पूरी चीजें इंप्लीमेंट कर दे रहे लॉक्स क्या होता है अलार्म्स क्या होता है क्या क्या चीजें हम लोग कर सकते हैं तो अगर हम लोग इसका की आइडिया देखा तो सिक्योरिटी मतलब एक अकेले की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है एक अकेले की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है पूरी टीम की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है यार एक कोई भी हमारा जो कोड रिलीज हो रहा है उसके ऊपर एक सिक्योरिटी हमारे पास बनी रहे. Now, let me talk about why DevSecOps is important. ठीक है? Why? Let me just change to color to the black and okay. Why is DevSecOps important? DevSecOps important. Okay, so if I talk about a problem like in the old way, like developers build software, then hand it to security teams to check their vulnerabilities. So like these things get down too much slow, and it was slow process, and it create multiple risks. So example, imagine releasing an app, okay, only to find out it has major security flaws after launch or ouch. Okay, what generally happens? Something is has been deployed, then after checking it has been security breach or not, all those things, it takes us quite a longer time. So what does the solution has been come up? Like DevSecOps will be integrated with the security parts, checks into every steps of the development. What all the developments are been getting done. So it will be checking onto the particular different stages. Like we have suppose building stage or that particular time it the implement of security will be there. Then we have multiple suppose 5 to 6 stages. So every time there will be implementation of security will be in it. Okay. Now we are going to talk about how DevOps work. Okay, like we have seen like the security part, like fast release, fear security, saves times and money. So now we are going to see basically how this DevOps is going to work for us. Okay, we are going to work. Okay, so what we have certain stages in it. We have certain step-by-step processes. Okay, what all those processes we have? Let me just tell you. First of all, we have to plan for it. Like we have to plan security requirements are defined at the end of the projects. Okay, start of the projects, end of the project. So we have to plan according to what type of security we have to implement. Then we have to code, like the developers write the codes with security best practices in the mind. Then it will go to the build stage for the automated tools, scans the code variability. Then it go to test part. Okay, then it will deploy and we are going to then monitor. So in all this stage, the security first we will plan how the security will be implemented. Then the coder will be develop the code for this. Then for the build, like automated tools can be scanned, then security testing happens continuously, secure code is released, then deploy, and then the monitor stage we generally monitor. So this all are the workflow how's it goes. If I talk about tools for the DevSecOps, okay, tools for the DevSecOps. So the tools are like they are the SAT set, which is generally known as static application security testing, which generally scans code for vulnerabilities. Then we have DSC test, dynamic application security testing, but it generally has been testing running application for the appliance. Okay, then we have CI/CD also, so like automate testing and the deployment part. Okay, so if I talk about certain things about a real-time example for the DevSecOps, so let me just build you a scenario for you. Suppose a company is building a new e-commerce app. So with DevSecOps, developers use secure coding practices, first of all, okay. Then second, automated tools check for the vulnerabilities during development. Okay. Then third, security teams monitor the app after launch. Okay, this all or the with the DevSecOps we are going to which generally implements. Or if the talk about the results, the app is secure and updates are quickly released. Okay, so we are just implementing security in every stages. Okay, like in the development pros, in the automation and the testing part also. Okay, now if I talk about some tips for beginners to start this. Beginners to get started with DevSecOps. So you have to just first of all learn the basics concept, then practice, then we have to collaborate with some of the tools and technologies. So I will be creating a separate video onto the roadmap for the DevSecOps, what type of tools and technology you have to focus. Okay, so now if I talk about some about the conclusions part, if I talk about what about the DevSecurity, so DevSecOps is nothing but security plus operations plus development. It's about making security priority from the start. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs and subscribe for more tech videos. Got question? Drop them into a comment below. Thanks for watching this video.